Love your suit. So I'm also from Dallas. Your father was a teacher, 25 years, in South Dallas. Yes. Speak to. I know you've spoken about how that, because of your dad and how he was, incarcerated, helped you with your role in this film. Give us a little bit about how you pulled from that experience to prepare for them.
You know what it is? It's like I just think black people get so used to going to jail. We're so used to it. We rap about it. It's so synonymous with us. When my father was taken, they didn't understand that he taught me how to play tennis. He taught me how to swim. He taught me what I thought white folks do. He said, I don't want you to be limited. But here he sits now in a jail cell with some of the kids that he taught, at Lincoln. And I wrote him one letter. I said, you get out, I'll save your life. He got out. He's lived with me for 20 years. I took him to the U.S. Open to see Venus play. We sat there with tears rolling down our cheeks. It's a story that had a great outcome, but not every story is that way. That's why Just Mercy is so important, because Brian Stevenson is out there every single day working for these people that don't have a face, don't have a voice. And so that's why I hope that they'll come out and support Michael B. Jordan. This is his film. He produced it. He was incredible behind and in front of the camera. So it's important to have the conversation and embrace it. Toronto Film Festival, standing ovation.
8 minutes.
So we got to come and show up for this one, and show up for all of them, but really show up for this, because this is going to take you someplace and you're going to feel really energized by